Hi friends, join us on a day of exploring the Redwoods National Forest. We did something a little different for this video. We just wanted it to sort of highlight how it felt being there, and I hope you guys can feel what it felt like and how relaxing or how much peace it brought us from being there. I feel like we're in Jurassic Park.
Oh yeah. Slug life. It's clay.
Oh my god, where's your finger? There it is. If only we had a wheel. Just down there, crossing all those little bridges. Some of it is so nice to put.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, look at what growth I have. It's tree sap. Sort of pine or spruce. Smells really good. We're leaving it there until probably bedtime, but looks horrendous.
It smells so good.
Looks like I have like some crazy infection, but smells really good.
Hi, sweet boy. Anytime we are hiking and trying to get some content, we feel like, I don't know if you guys ever seen like Yes Man or The Big Year, but like in both movies, some of the characters are like running by and like snapping shots in nature.
Literally, because I'm over there like, oh, wow, look at that. And then, you know, like, eventually we just put down the cameras and we're like, all right, cool.
Yes.
Time to, not that we don't enjoy it, like filming it, because it's still fun doing that. Like, even since I was a kid, like, I've had fun taking photos.
Are you hungry?
I could eat.
Oh my goodness.
So we're doing the Trillum Falls hike. I don't even know if I said that right, but the Trillum Falls hike in the Redwood National Park. This one's at Prairie Creek or whatever. But yeah, we've seen like 2 people on this hike, so that's pretty ideal for us. I think for anyone. We just hung out at the waterfall for like 10-15 minutes alone, and here we are walking back by ourselves through these huge ancient trees. What more could you ask for? Hello. Enjoy.
Mama, what do you want to do?
Went into the visitor center to get some stickers, of course. We got this one, pretty cool. It's got an elk and a redwood, of course. And then this one from Fern Canyon. Just a great sticker, really encapsulates Fern Canyon. And once again, it's an enormous sticker.
Yeah, I don't know if we showed up here on YouTube yet.
Yeah.
We've been collecting stickers up here.
Yeah, not too many, but just a good amount.
Not too many, yeah.
Right amount.
Yeah, we still have some room. I'll do that. There you guys go. Got some like core Florida ones.
Yep.
And it branches off, and then also the yoga studio I used to work for. And then it just kind of, the rest is where we've been so far.
Yep.
Andrew just cooked up some really yummy fish, rice, asparagus, jalapeno. And the seasoning. Perfection. Great way to end our time out of the Redwoods.